Getting sound in Charlotte right now. Apostrophe Lounge. Appreciate everybody coming out tonight. We're gonna have a better one next month. For October, we're gonna do the Halloween version next month. So y'all be tuned with it. Stay tuned. It's some for the producers, some for the artists, the networking event. We're trying to bring all the producers together, man. Shout out to Slim Hood, shout out to Slim Hood, no fair barrel, shout out to y'all. It's the artists to get with the producers, you know what I'm saying? Because the producers are the ones that make it, man. The ones that make it sound great, and the engineers as well. Shout out to Black Pearl, he couldn't make it tonight, but shout out to him, he's a great engineer. But we're gonna shoot it over to the judges, man. We're gonna introduce the judges over here. They're gonna give you a little, critique you a little bit, let you know what we can do better, and give you a score as well. If we can shine a light over. We got my boy Jay Stacks. He's one of the dopest producers in the city, one of the dopest producers that I actually know personally. Man. He's one of the dopest producers, man. And it's his birthday today. Everybody wish him a happy birthday. Everybody wish Jay Stacks a happy birthday. We to the right, Slim Hood. It's Slim Hood right here. I've heard of his name quite a bit in the city. He's one of the most known producers here in Charlotte. Slim Hood right here. Everybody give him a shout out. Give it up. And we got my man Seven Ray over here. He's an artist / producer / engineer. He owns a studio called the King Circle. Look them up. It's called the King Circle.
My destiny is not my final fucking destination. So I wait like I woke up to a couple of soldiers. I see I snakes in my grass, I fucking roses. 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
I liked your beat, man. It was straight to the point, like you was on time. I think you made it like around like in 3 minutes, like total, like the whole beat. The keys could have had a little bit more high end, like the low end could have been brought down, but overall I liked it. Like, you know, dope vibes, dope vibes.
Definitely excellent job. I think the time could be a little bit better. When I do make beats, when I make beats, I always put myself on the timer, and my timer is like 2 to 3 minute type thing. Like, get in there, get it out. Because if you're in the studio with somebody, whoever you want to work with is your biggest goal, they may not have all day, so you gotta cook that right then and there. So that's all I would say is work on. I like the beat, I like everything, just the timing. Cool.
Yeah, I didn't get a chance to see the full cook-up, my apologies, but one thing I can say coming in, you kind of set the vibe for me coming in. It definitely was a chill vibe. In terms of like, you know, just hit record, like, not really, but it definitely was a, what you say? Okay, yeah, it definitely was a pretty chill record, like, you know what I'm saying, and especially considering the time frame. I'm right with it.
And yeah, excuse me real quick, y'all. We do have like a special guest judge in here as well. I forgot to name him. View Beats is here as well. View Beats is one of the judges here. Yeah.
We're going to have him critique everybody as well. Follow him at View Beats. View Beats. We're going to let him critique as well. Sorry about that, bro.
Yeah, Trap View travel agency, by the way. Yeah, bro, beats good. I think you could add some. You got the hi hats. Get some open hats in there. You know what I'm saying? Maybe add a couple sound effects, like get some good vibes in there. The keys were good. Maybe you could do a little synths, get some vibes. But the beat was good. Good job.
All right, so we're gonna let the judges put a score together. They're gonna judge it from 1 to 10, and we'll see what the score is from there. Hey. All right, the judges, if you want to go ahead and flip your score, you see what we got here. We have a 7, we have a 5, and we have we got 2 6s, a 5, and a 7. All right, somebody add that up. Well, we have Jay Bosco next. We have a 8, a 5, a 6, and a 7.5. We have a 0.5 here. And a 7.5. We're going to add that score up. And we're going to go to my boy Just Will. He is up next. Just Will.
Soon as they get off the road, keeping the sound like a me. Put on my knee, we open the sink, chopping that work like a riding. Serving the new Maserati, in a brand new Maserati. There's a whole lot of new wedding. Section and half, moving and spreading them bills. Serving the boys like beating that China like who's a king tape. We been in fishing for cat, fucking no surf and rolling them drunk. And myself a bouncing up the wall. Either way you put it, nigga, I'm Taylor. Triple salute, nigga, straight out the chain. Make this all the water splash on scale.
Yeah, that's yeah. You need that kick with the 808, and this is gonna make it hit hard. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, but other than that, that was a dope. You had new sounds. That's one thing I was gonna say to y'all too. You wanna make sure you're updated on your sounds. Spend money on sounds. I spent like $3,000 last year just on sounds. You know what I'm saying? So it's new sounds is everything. So yeah, good job, bro.
That shit was hard.
Ah, shit!
I was fucking with that.
I did a good job, man. You got the people moving right away. That's what I was looking for. I always look around the room to see if everybody head bobbing. Because it's really not up to us. It's up to everybody else in the room. So, yeah, and I was waiting for that kick. I was saying, H-Wood, man, when you gonna put that kick in there, man? You had the, I think you started out with like a saw, or what was that, the 808? Yeah, it kind of gave me like a Mike Will feel, but it was Will feel tonight. So, that was pretty dope, man. Yeah, man.
Appreciate you.
That shit was hard. You already know what I was saying. That shit was hard. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that shit was hard. I say, as far as my experience of it, I heard the first sound. I was outside. My boy Son Barber was like, "Yo, let's go in." I was still talking. Heard the second sound. I was, oh, what's that? So your sound selection is excellent. You want to pick those sounds that tickle. I call them ear ticklers. You know what I'm saying? It's just those sounds that. What's that? So you did that. Excellent job. And I feel like you being last, you kind of took all my song. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So, but excellent job, bro. And Trap, that was dope as hell.
Yeah, Trap.
We have an 8. We have another 8. We have an 8.5, another 0.5 in here. Shout out to Slim. And we have a 7. We're going to add those up. And we're going to see what's going on for the second round. Don't stay tuned for the second round, because the second round is going to be something. It's going to be a whole twist. So y'all stay tuned for what's going on for the second round, though, because it's going to be real dope. It's going to be real dope.
So when I dominate, I make them look lazy. We got different things that come some way. Well, alright. We just keep carrying on to this bridge. Yeah, well, alright. I
know we've had better days. I'm a little bit high, so I don't know what to say. I've been mixing my drinks, and now I'm feeling away. I'm trying to find a way to deal with all those selfish mistakes. Trying to step at the crib and feel the sand on my toes. I'm trying to focus on me. Let's go! Hey, this shit easy. I just made this shit look easy. This shit easy. What up, Dad? This shit easy. I just made this shit look easy. I've been working, I've been grinding. Know it's all about the time. Trying to take care of my mama. Finna blow like I'm a summer. This shit easy. Yeah, hold up, this shit easy. I just made this shit look easy. This shit do my thing to the maximum. Big drink, go multi-platinum. I'ma have to go ahead and give me some. It's easy, man, not playing, bro. I've been working, man, I'm a chase. Ain't no one doing this great. So like, man, you ain't shit, little boy, if you not getting that pay. So I study the artists I fuck with the most. The circle of brothers to life we toast. I already know that we doing the most. If you down, I promise you gonna get dope.
I appreciate every motherfucker that's in this building tonight. The producers, all three producers that were in here were crazy, man. I want to work with every single one of y'all. I want to network with every single motherfucker in this building. So I'm going to talk to every single one of y'all. I'm going to come around this building and talk to every single one of you. I want every single number. I want every single Instagram. And we going to link. You got talent. You do something. You work hard. I want to be a part of what you're doing. I hope you're a part of what we're doing. That's my
Got your bitch in my crib, she rolling this shit. Every ball, hollow tipping nose high. Niggas sending shots to the fucking Robocop. Send them flowers, no Valentine. Class in session. Teacher block Columbine. I'm dyslexic. All I read is dollar sign. They say he hot, he must be on them drugs. He got work, but he ain't never got no plug. He a shooter, but never ever rip no snub. I know your life, and you not that tight thug. Sick nigga get well, funds it, accurate, bring a nigga days, and funds it. I'm high, but the clip hold 32. A crooked nigga, but I'm still standing vertical. No, I won't rap if I would just murder you. I really hope you find vultures that will serve you. Back to all the work I owe, so that at the server too. I'm serving in wholesale, it's probably more worthy. Might take a...
This shit wrong.
Work hard, still laid up. Black as you, black as me. Black as us, black as free. Black as you, black as me. Black as us, black as cash. Come around, then you come around. Everybody is when you come around. Hey, I think do it. Black as you, black as me. Black as us, black as me. 28 came pretty quick. Penetrating pretty big. I ain't bragging, those pretty tempting. I only told you because I feel convicted. I was sober, but my soul was given. He can create plenty mediation. So the soul for you for a purpose. I can't fall, so I just hang it. Black over because it's tasty. I watch privilege. Everybody's still the same, man. One of Jordan's is Space Jam. Now I'm fucking from an asshole to an asshole. You was full of shit. Never depends on my big flick. Created a flame in the quick trip. I was hope. Can't kill what I can't do. We was selling till she jumped ship. Then the same man just breathed through. And I've been grinding every day and night.
Niggas not gonna play with me. I get back your bitch and make it stay with me. This ain't just a song, really. But I'm gripping it hard. I will never be irrelevant. I'm the guy I ain't never seen. Applying pressure every single day. Get the game in the remedy.
Queen City be the birthplace. My flow is cool, it's a cold case. I kill them dead on the 808. Screaming, fuck the fans, get the hate away. Sweating blood with my day to chase. I just fell in love with my day to day. She hard-headed, so I medicate. Yeah, that purple plate to put the pain away. I can't tell you that with me.
This ain't just a song, really putting on. This every day with me. This every day with me.
I want to believe in success when you don't get to see it. 4 years dealing dead, trying to buy what you dreaming. Every Sunday in the church, you gon' be Bible teaching. At your part-time grind, cause you like what you need. Living in the water like anything's better than breathing. One Sunday he did a lot of declaring, decreeing, saying just to weather the storm. It all changed with the season. It was last winter, you ain't seen a sun in a year. Then it passed off the funk, you feel a ray on your skin. Here comes the sun. My brother, my sister, oh my baby, son.
And show that talent, man. We got a lot of talent in this city. And, you know what I mean? Sooner or later, we'll be heard. So everybody just keep grinding. Keep it up to the top.
Keep up the good work, bro. Like I want to say this is for all the producers that did this. This is the dopest shit I've ever seen in my life, and I'm a producer. So salute to everybody.
Hey.
That's dope, man. That's good feedback from some great producers here in town, man. Like, if y'all don't know any of these judges, man, they're real well known in the city. So these are, you know, if they say something that's good, if they give you good feedback, that's good to know, man. So we got J Bosco next. J Bosco gonna flip the same sample. J Bosco, let's get it. Time is up. Oh my goodness. Give it up for J Bosco, y'all. That boy did his thing. Yeah, I must say this too. You know what I'm saying? You know, I ain't the one to brag. I ain't the one to brag. But I taught him everything too, you know what I'm saying? I taught him everything he knows as well, you know what I'm saying? Like the cadences and, you know, all that, you know, the sampling and all that, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, this ain't about me, you know, this ain't about me. But anyway, before we get to the judges, I want to say right now, rest in peace to the man Hugh Hefner. He just passed away today.
What?
Rest in peace to Hugh Hefner. He died at 91 years old today. He died. He passed away. That is news to everybody right now.
What?
Yeah, he passed away today. He just passed away. It's news right now. I just got it on my phone.
Oh, I just got that shit. I literally just got that shit on my phone.
Rest in peace to Hugh Hefner. He was a real pimp, you know what I'm saying?
If it dies, it does
He was pimping since pimping been pimping.
91.
Since pimping been pimping.
91.
Pimping.
91.
The man was 91 years old. You know what I'm saying? So he lived a life of pimping. You know what I'm saying?
That nigga been pimping before Jay-Z.
Anyway, I'm trying to follow his footsteps, but anyway, we're gonna get to the judges. All right. Can I get a drum roll? Can I get a drum roll? Can I get a drum roll?
DJ, you got drum rolls?
Can I get a drum roll? Can I get a drum roll?
Hey.
Can I get a drum roll? Can I get a drum roll? My bad. I was on out there for a second. Excuse me, y'all. All right. So second place winner we have, because we have a prize for the second place winner as well. The second place winner is Mr. Jay Bosco. Give it up for Jay Bosco. He goes second place. Jay Bosco, hey, that shit was dope, bro. Like that sample you did, bro, that was like crazy, bro. Like I wanted to rap to that. I wanted to put that on my album, actually. You know, God Life coming out in December, just so y'all know. God Life will be out in December. I'm just plugging that. Anyway, that was really dope, man. That was really dope. Appreciate you coming out, Jay Bosco. Everybody, get your plug on. Follow him at Jay Bosco. Bosco 22. J_BOSCO22. Follow him there. And our first place winner we have tonight, we're going to give it up to Just Will. He's the winner for tonight. Shout out to Just Will.
Hey man, I just want to thank everybody coming out. I'm nobody, but I'm just trying to be somebody. You get what I'm saying? And I'm just trying to grind just like Jay Stacks, DJ Trap. Much love to him. Jay Stacks, happy birthday again, man. That's little homie.
Happy birthday, Jay Stacks.
Thank everybody for coming out. Thank everybody for the support.
Facts. We're gonna tell him what he won, Johnny. Tell him what he won, Johnny. So, the winner actually wins quite a bit. We're gonna give him a shout out to DTLR. They have sponsored this event tonight. DTLR, they gave us a $50 gift card. Shout out to DTLR. Byron Williams. Everybody look him up. He's like the regional manager of DTLR, so shout out to him. He's gonna get $50 of iTunes cards as well. He's going to get 2 hours of studio time at MBN Studios, and he's going to get a promotional video. You already know it's good, bro. But he's going to get a promotional video as well, so be looking out on our page. We're going to get him a nice promotional video. He won quite a bit tonight, and actually he earns a spot for the next event as well. So he'll be here for next month. So be looking out for Just Will next month. Halloween. This is Halloween. So be looking out for that next month. It's going to be Nightmare Before Christmas sample. I'm entering as well because I taught everybody everything anyways. So I'm entering next month. Trap entering next month too. Jay Stacks is entering next month as well. So y'all competition is going to be real big time. You know what I'm saying? Because these niggas is big time producers. You know what I'm saying? So excuse my language. I said niggas, but I said it again, but don't excuse my language. Anyway, these are guys are great producers, man. Shout out to my boy Rashard. He's my partner, man. He's my partner in crime here with New Billionaire Nation here. He's a great supporter of mine, man. I appreciate him for allowing me to put this all together. Beast level in the building. This is presented by New Billionaire Nation, man. I appreciate everybody coming out, man. We're going to have another one. October 25th is the date for the next one. October 25th, so keep them in your calendars.
Let me know what you're planning for the future, man.
Like I said, we got a lot of things going on, man. We got a lot of great things going on. We're going to be doing, we're going to take it on the road. So, in the future, we're looking to do a producer event in Miami on a yacht. We're going to do like a yacht cruise type of thing. In Miami. Yeah.
We ain't playing.
So we're trying to take it to another level. We're trying to our foundation is here. Alright, hey, everybody watch out. We are American, you know what I'm saying? So watch out. We're Dubai. I would love to go to Dubai. Dubai is great. But anyways, in the near future, we're going to have the Miami producer event. The producers can make it out, make a trip where we're going to have a yacht party and we're going to have a producer event on the yacht in Miami. So that's coming up. But next month, It's going to be the Halloween edition of the Sounds of Charlotte. So everybody stay tuned. Next month we're going to have a bigger and better event. Shout out to everybody that came on. Shout out to DJ Trap. Shout out to Young Reason. Shout out to View. I bet y'all want to sing it real quick though.
He ain't taking a shot though. He ain't taking a shot.
And 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear J Stack. Happy birthday to you. That's my bro, man. That's my bro, man. I appreciate him, man. Like, my bro been working really hard. He's been working real hard. He's somebody that deserves to make it, man. So I got a lot of respect for my bro, man. So once again, thank everybody, man. I go by the name of H Wood. This is New Billionaire Nation. You want to say it in, bro?
H motherfucking Wood, New Billionaire Nation.
New Billionaire Nation. New Billionaire Nation. I appreciate everybody coming out, man. We're going to wrap it up here, man. H Wood, we signing out. Shout out to Charlotte. We'll see y'all next month. We'll see you guys next month. And the words of Trap, gotta say something.
Hey man, rest in peace, Hugh Hefner, man.
Rest in peace, Hugh Hefner. Rest in peace, Hugh Hefner.
You know, that Playboy shit was a big impact on my life, you know.
Right.
You know, Hugh Hefner was a great inspiration to us all. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, we all want to, you know, in our hearts, we all want to be Hugh Hefner. I just want to shout out to Jewel right here. Shout out to Jarrell. Shout out to Just Will. Shout out to Jay Bosco. Shout out to Apostle B. Lounge. Shout out to Young Reason. Shout out to View. Shout out to Eddie.
Shout out to all the artists that didn't walk out. Shout out to all the artists.
Shout out to the artists that didn't walk out.
Yo, just grind it.
For whatever reason. But look, guess what? This mic is working just fine right now. This mic is working great right now. So
He's still getting money out in
Australia. Still
Australia.
getting money in Australia right
Shout out
now.
to Bow Wow out in
Shout out to everybody
Australia.
getting money, man. I appreciate everybody coming out once again. This is the Sounds of Charlotte, produced by New Billionaire Nation, presented by New Billionaire Nation. It's H Wood. It's my boy Black right here. Just so y'all know.
Motherfucking Wood, nigga.
What
Wait
he said.
to it.
What he said. What he said. I didn't say it. He said it. He said it. 815. Represent. That's where I'm from. That's where I'm from. Anyway, you got something to say? Read it. Shout out to DTLR. Let's get that on there too. The DTLR, they sponsored us. I appreciate them. Byron Williams. Go follow him. Byron Williams. I appreciate him for sponsoring us. Shout out to DTLR as well. Shout out to DTLR. And we out. See y'all next month.
I'll be here next month.